Hello and welcome in the next session of biology class. I am Rashmi Singh, your biology teacher. In the previous session, students, we have discussed about the structure of animal cell and its organelles with their functions. Today, we discuss about plant cell and organelles present in it. See, students, this is the structure of the plant cell. In this, you can clearly see chloroplast are present, nucleus is there, nucleolus is present, Golgi apparatus, nuclear envelope, plasma membrane, cell wall, mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast, cytoplasm, a big vacuole, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Dear students, you have noticed that in case of animal cell, which we have discussed earlier, there are numerous mitochondria present in animal cell, but in case of plant cell, mitochondria are least in number and there is maximum number of chloroplast. Now, I will tell you these organelles once again in detail. So, first of all, I will start with this chloroplast. Students, there are three types of plastids, that is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast help in photosynthesis. Now, next comes the nucleus, which you already know that this nucleus controls all the functions in the cell. It also contains chromatin and DNA and helps in cell division. Next is nucleolus. So students, this nucleolus helps in the formation of ribosomes. After that, this Golgi apparatus, as this is discovered by Camillo Golgi, so it is named as Golgi apparatus, and its main function is the secretion of mucus, enzymes and hormones. It also forms cell wall, yolk and acrosome of sperm. After that, this nuclear envelope. So, it's a membrane. Next is plasma membrane. You all know that it is the outermost covering of the cell and it is selectively permeable in nature. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Its main function that it provides and maintains cell shape. This plasma membrane provides and maintains cell shape. It protects internal structure and regulates the transport of material. Then cell wall. Cell wall is rigid and protective covering. It is permeable in nature. It provides shape and rigidity to cells and allows entry and exit of substances. It protects the internal structures. After that, you can see mitochondria. About mitochondria, you already know that it is said to be as the powerhouse of the cell. It is said to be as the powerhouse of the cell, and it helps in oxidative phosphorylation. Then chloroplast we have already discussed. Next is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the site for various metabolic activities such as biosynthesis of protein and fatty acids. It helps in the exchange of material between cell organelles. And the most important, vacuole. It maintains the cell turgidity, and this is usually absent in case of animal cell, and if present, then they are very small in size. And the main function is that it stores water and other materials in the cell. After that, we discuss smooth endoplasmic reticulum and this rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are of two types. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, that is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which we also called as SER, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, which we called RER. So the main function is that it acts as intracellular transport system and helps in the synthesis of proteins and lipids, and it also provides a framework of the cell. This endoplasmic reticulum also provides framework to the cell. Next is the lysosome. So students, you also know about this, as we have discussed in previous session, that these lysosomes, they are said to be as the suicidal bags. These lysosomes, they are said to be as the suicidal bags. They provide energy during starvation. They digest worn out cell organelles and foreign objects. So students, this is the structure of plant cell. Students, I hope now you understand clearly each and every organelle about plant cell as well as animal cell. And I also hope that this pandemic COVID-19 will get over soon, and we all will be able to come back to a new normal life. We are very eagerly waiting for our children to play again in playground. Hope you utilize your time and take care of yourself. Dear students, as this is very important informative video which is the base of our life and act as life supporting chamber. Remember, no life without cell. So do share, like and subscribe as much as you can, so that this basic conceptual knowledge about the plant and animal cell reach to each and every student. Thank you.